I bought some contacts this week because the sunglasses that I use when I go bike riding, see my bike's right there, they're all scratched up. I can barely see out of them, so I thought, you know what, let me try some contacts when I go do some of those sports thingies, but I'm still gonna wear these glasses for everything else. But anyways, Claudio here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I have a question for you. How many of you use your mobile phones to take videos or pictures? Today I'm going to show you some mobile phone video and photo hacks to help you shoot better photos and videos and to get a little bit creative with your camera. You'll probably be able to do these hacks with things lying around your house like towel, painter's tape, box, sunglasses, and some foam core board. Let's start with hack number 1. And for this one, what you'll need is a small box about this size, and you'll want to get an X-Acto knife. What you'll want to do is take your phone and trace it on the box and cut it out. Just be sure that it's not too large of an opening, because then your phone will fall out. And voila, there is your selfie box. Take your phone, place it in the slot that you cut out, and then put it on a flat surface. Press your record button for video or set a timer for photo, and what you've just created is a portable cameraman, so you can take selfies all on your own. You can record videos all on your own. Very cheap. For hack number 2, we're going to use the same box and some painter's tape. Take the selfie box and tape it on a wall with painter's tape. How much tape depends on how heavy your phone is. Once you set that up, put your phone in and set your timer or start recording a video. The nice thing about this selfie box on the wall, it frees up your hands, so if you want to demonstrate, you have your hands available to do stuff like this. For hack number 3, we're going to use the selfie box one more time, and along with that, we're going to use a towel. So what are we doing with the towel? We're going to place a towel on a flat surface, whether it's a table or a floor, and then place the selfie box on top of the towel. Put your phone in the slot, set your recorder, and then slowly pull the towel. And what you're doing is creating a panning effect in the video from right to left or left to right, just like you see in movies. And just like that, you've created an effect with very minimal cost, basically free, because you might have towels lying around your house and just need a small box. For this next hack, you'll need a pair of sunglasses and your phone. And we're going to use these, combine them together to create some really cool effects with pictures. Take your sunglasses and place one of the lenses of the sunglasses in front of your camera, and you may just kind of adjust it, but it creates a really cool flare effect and really neat. I know that you can do this with digital tools, but it's really cool to kind of use something like this to create that effect, and you can kind of see how it will look like even before you apply a digital one. Really cool effect. This last hack is very inexpensive, but has huge payoff. What you'll want to do is pick up some white foam core board. I always have a hard time saying that word. You can find these like at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, Walmart. Very inexpensive, I think like $2. So what do we do with this foam board? So check this out. Have the person hold the foam board kind of underneath their face. What they'll do is kind of angle it until the sunlight kind of hits it just right, and it creates a really nice light effect on their face, so it's not so dark. So really inexpensive way to light up a person's face. The nice thing about this foam board, it really does not put a dent in your wallet. And if you want to take some selfies with the selfie box, you can hold this underneath yourself and give yourself some light. See that? And that's it. These are little things that you can do to make shooting videos and taking photos a lot easier, and then add a little bit of a creative twist to it. Hacks that will cost you very little, because you might have a lot of this already in your house. Thanks again for stopping by and watching this video. Please do hit the like button, ignore the other button, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Until next time, my friends, we'll see you soon. Peace out.